Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your laptop and installing the official Android Studio bundle. First, make sure you meet basic hardware needs: 8+ GB RAM and 10+ GB free disk. Enable virtualization in BIOS so the emulator runs fast. Next, run the Android Studio installer and include Android SDK and AVD during setup. Once done, launch Studio and complete the initial SDK component download. This gets the essential build tools and platform APIs, so you can compile and run apps immediately. Once Android Studio has the SDK, you configure the middle pieces. Open SDK Manager and install the API levels and SDK tools your app needs. Make sure platform tools and build tools match the project. Then open AVD Manager and create a virtual device using an x86-64 system image and hardware acceleration. Set sensible RAM and CPU cores to balance speed and stability. Make sure Gradle points to the correct SDK path and increase the Gradle JVM heap if builds are slow. This prevents to finish, import, or create your project and press run. Select your AVD or plug in a device with USB debugging enabled. You'll watch Gradle build, then the app installs and starts. Use Logcat and Profiler to inspect runtime issues and performance. When ready to distribute, use Build Generate Sign Bundle or APK and follow the keystore steps. If something goes wrong, clear the Gradle cache, use File Invalidate Caches/restart, and confirm the emulator or device is visible with a DB devices. That single tip resolves most blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.